Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Alfredo sauce creamy. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Ensure your cream is at room temperature for easier blending. This foundation is crucial for achieving that luxurious, velvety texture we all love in a classic Alfredo. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by melting 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over low heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant, but not browned. Gradually whisk in 1 cup of heavy cream, ensuring it warms gently without boiling. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing it to thicken naturally. For that perfect, silky consistency, remove your sauce from the heat before adding the cheese. This prevents the cheese from clumping. Slowly add 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, whisking constantly until it's completely melted and smooth. If your sauce seems too thick, a tablespoon or 2 of hot pasta water can help achieve the ideal texture. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. To ensure your Alfredo is always creamy, remember a few key tips. Never boil your cream vigorously, as this can cause the sauce to break. Always use freshly grated Parmesan. Pre-shredded cheese often contains anti-caking agents that hinder melting. Serve your delicious Alfredo immediately for the best experience. If you have leftovers, reheat them gently over low heat with a splash of milk or cream to restore creaminess.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.